Pull out bathtub rack. Set bathtub aside. Press the black buckle on the outside edge of both sides of the bathtub rack. Remove bathtub rack and set aside. Set the mattress aside. Unscrew the fence bolt. Unscrew and remove the headboard aviation plugs on both sides. Remove the bolt cover at the end of the guardrail. Remove guardrail and remove the other side. Turn up the bed frame. Pull out the black dowel piece on both sides. Pick up the bed frame. Remove the headboard and same as the other side. Installation: the pulley under the headboard and footboard. Mounting headboard. Pick up the bed frame. Snap the protruding columns on both sides of the bed frame into the headboard grooves. Install the footboard in the same way. Turn the black dowsing pins clockwise. Install the guardrail and tighten bolts. Insert and tighten the aviation plug. Put the plug cover back on it again. Install the other side of the guardrail in the same way, and insert the active support on the left and right sides of the bathtub rack to the socket. Align the 4 buckle positions of the control box with the recesses on the back of the headboard. Insert into the control box and press on to fix it. Insert the corresponding color plug according to the color of the cable port of the control box. Insert both aviation plugs into the left and right interfaces. Reinstall the interface cardboard. Place the power adapter in the slot. Plug the power cord into the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the right socket of the control box. Pull the wire harness in the middle of the bed end plate to the headboard to connect the wire harness with the same label. Remove socket interface board under bed frame. Insert the labeled plug into the same labeled position jack. Plug in the power cord. Reinstall the interface cardboard. Use cable TI to straighten out messy lines. Put the mattress on the bed. Turn up the bed frame and fasten the buckle. Tuck top into bottom top rack. Turn out cloth. Attach the turncoat Velcro to the guardrail on both sides. Turn on nursing bed switch. Press and hold the top 2 buttons of the remote control for 10 seconds. If the indicator is steady on, the system is powered on successfully. Press the R left button to tighten the turn cloth.